Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to troubleshoot your Midea-shaped air conditioner if it's not cooling properly. Let's begin with the most basic checks. First, ensure that your air conditioner is securely plugged into a working power outlet. Verify that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. A dirty air filter can significantly hinder airflow and reduce your AC's cooling efficiency. Locate and remove the air filter, typically behind a front panel or grill. If it's dirty, clean it thoroughly or replace it with a new one. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve minor glitches. Completely power off your AC unit at the circuit breaker for approximately 5 minutes. Then turn the circuit breaker back on and allow the unit to restart. Observe if this reset has restored proper cooling. Inadequate refrigerant levels can severely impact your AC's cooling capability. If you suspect a refrigerant leak or low levels, it's crucial to contact a qualified HVAC technician for inspection and potential refrigerant refill. Now let's shift our attention to the outdoor condenser unit. Ensure that the condenser coils are clean and free from debris, such as leaves or dirt buildup, that could obstruct airflow. Verify that both the condenser fan and the compressor are operating correctly. Next, check your thermostat settings. Set it to a lower temperature than the current room temperature to activate cooling. Ensure that the thermostat is properly communicating with your AC unit. A frozen evaporator coil can restrict airflow and prevent proper cooling. Locate the evaporator coil, usually behind the air filter. If you find ice buildup, turn off the AC and allow the ice to completely defrost. A malfunctioning capacitor can affect the compressor's operation. If you suspect a capacitor issue, it's advisable to contact a qualified electrician to test and, if necessary, replace the capacitor. Lastly, a failing or failed compressor is a significant issue requiring professional attention. If you suspect a compressor problem, it's best to contact a qualified HVAC technician promptly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.